Introducing the LJC 221 Mini Foldable Clip Lamp, a versatile and compact lighting solution that caters to your diverse needs. Designed as a flexible book light, this lamp provides illumination for reading, studying, or any task that requires a focused light source. Featuring USB rechargeability and 3 adjustable brightness levels, the LJC 221 offers convenient and customizable lighting to suit your preferences. Its compact and foldable design allows for easy storage and transportation, ensuring you always have reliable lighting at your fingertips. Additionally, the lamp's versatile clip function enables you to attach it to a variety of surfaces, allowing you to position the light exactly where you need it.